Sri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject Physics.
Good afternoon, students. In the previous class, we have discussed about what is transparent, translucent and opaque objects. We can see so many things in our surrounding. You can make a table and collect the different objects from your house and check whether these objects are transparent, translucent or opaque. Then how can you check it? If you take object in your hand and if you are able to see something else behind in the object, it is transparent, and you are able to see not clearly, it is translucent, and you cannot see the object behind the object, it is opaque object. So these are the difference between opaque, transparent and translucent. And one more feature of opaque object is that opaque object form shadows. So what are shadows? Today we are going to discuss about what are shadows and how the shadows are formed. So activity 2, what exactly are shadows? Now one by one hold each of the opaque objects in the sunlight slightly above the ground. What do you see on the ground? You know that the dark patch found by each on the ground is due to its shadow. It is shadows. So shadows are formed when an opaque object obstructs in the path of sunlight. There is no sunlight, no shadow can be formed. So spread a sheet of paper on the ground, hold a opaque object at some height so that its shadow is formed on the sheet of paper. Ask one of your friends to draw the outline of the shadows while you are holding the object. Draw outlines of the shadows of other object in a similar way. Now ask some other friends to identify the object. How many objects are they able to identify correctly? So do you observe your shadow in a dark room or at night when there is no light? Do you observe a shadow? No. When there is just a source of light and nothing else in a room, it seems we need a source of light and an opaque object to see a shadow. So through this activity, we have clear about how the shadow can be formed. There is no light, no shadow can be formed. So conditions necessary for seeing an object is: first one, source of light; second one, object. So it seems we need a source of light and an opaque object to see a shadow.